Hello, welcome back to Light Recipes. Today we are going to make Ponna Sambar for idly and dosa. Ponna is a very healthy greens variety. So with this Ponna we can make lot of dishes. In this I have taken 4 spoons of tuvar dal. I am adding 300 ml of water and little turmeric powder. Pressure cooking it for 4 whistles. Now dal is pressure cooked. I have taken one bunch of ponnangani, remove the leaves and wash it nicely. Few small onions, 1 country tomato chopped, chili powder, salt, jeera, mustard seeds, asafoetida and cooking oil. Now on the stove heat the kadai, pour 3 to 4 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is ready, add chopped small onions and 1 chopped country tomato. Sort this well nicely until tomato gets cooked. See, now tomato became very soft. So in this stage add half a tablespoon of chili powder. I am doing this in a very mild way. If you want spicy, you can add 1 tablespoon of chili powder. Mix it well. Add ponnangani leaves. Keep the flame in sim. Sort it well nicely till greens shrinks. This is a healthy sambar for morning breakfast. This ponnangani greens is available in green color, red color or long leaves also. So if it is long leaves, you can chop it. Otherwise you can just add leaves alone. Now ponnangani is cooked well. Now you can add dal water or plain water 200 ml. Close it with the lid for 5 to 10 minutes. So now after 5 minutes, just open the lid. See, nicely it has cooked very well and the color of ponnangani hasn't changed also. Now add the dal to ponnangani. Mix it nicely. Add required amount of salt also. Just keep it in flame for 1 boil and then you can turn off the flame. Please don't overcook the greens, otherwise it will lose its color, texture and taste also. And just 1 time of boiling is also enough, because already tomato, onion and all is cooked only, no? Dal is also cooked. So just 1 time of boiling is enough. That gives really amazing taste. Now in seasoning ladle, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add mustard seeds and jeera. Allow it to splutter. Add little asafoetida and turn off the flame. Add this seasoning to sambar. A yummy ponnangani sambar is ready for idli and dosa. Please try the recipe, subscribe, comment and like the video.